The Magic Chef Compact Washer is a powerful and portable top-load washing machine, designed to offer high efficiency in a small package. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washing machine in the description below at the latest price. This model is perfect for apartments, dorms, or even vacation homes, giving users the flexibility to do laundry in tight spaces without sacrificing performance. With a generous 1.7 cubic feet capacity, this unit stands out among portable washers. It allows you to wash everything from daily outfits to delicate garments with ease. The top-load design simplifies loading and unloading, while the soft close lid and transparent glass viewing window let you monitor your laundry in real time. Whether you're managing a single-person household or looking for a secondary washer for convenience, the Magic Chef offers the perfect balance of size and performance. User-friendly controls elevate the experience. The bright LED display and clearly labeled push buttons make cycle selection straightforward. With 6 wash cycles, including normal, quick wash, and delicates, plus 3 water level options and 3 temperature settings, this washer can handle various fabric types and soil levels. Add in thoughtful features like a built-in detergent dispenser, delay start for added convenience, and a stainless steel tub that resists rust and abrasion, and you have a reliable solution for everyday laundry needs. What truly sets this washer apart is how seamlessly it integrates convenience with performance. Its auto shut-off function enhances energy efficiency, while the quiet operation ensures minimal disruption to your daily routine. Installation is hassle-free, and its lightweight build makes it easy to relocate as needed. Whether you're doing a full load or just a few items, it maintains consistent results. The Magic Chef Compact Washer redefines portable laundry solutions, delivering simplicity, durability, and smart functionality in one compact unit.